Hello all. Welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today the topic that we'll be covering is how to host a static website in S3. I asked in a poll in the community and many of you wanted me to do AWS lab demos. So today let's start with a very simple lab how you can host a static website in S3. So let's see. First of all, what is static website? A static web page is a web page that is delivered to the user's web browser exactly as stored. It holds fixed content, right? The word static itself says fixed content, where each page is coded in HTML and displays the same information to every user. Okay, it's not something very dynamic. Okay, you are not changing, it is a fixed content. Static websites are very fast because obviously there are no different backend information you're trying to fetch from, and it is very secured through JavaScript. And scaling static website is very easy. We'll see how we can do scaling and all in the next videos. As of now, just a very simple one. Okay, so let's see the architecture what we are going to do today. So we are going to create a static website in S3. We are going to host it in S3. So we'll have an S3 bucket which will contain two files, index.html when the URL is correct, and it will show you the welcome page. Okay, but when you are trying to put up a wrong URL, then it should show you the error page. Okay, now let's try to do this practically. So here I have created two HTML pages, a very simple HTML page which contains HTML tag, body tag, and a heading with welcome to Codify with Sonal, and a paragraph tag containing S3 static website. Okay, this is my welcome page, and I have created one more page called as error page. Okay, which says heading as error 404 page not found, and it's an error page. Okay, now let's go ahead to our AWS console and check how we create a how can we host a static website on S3. So here we are in our AWS management console. So here you have to go to the service S3. You can go directly from here, or you can just type here as S3. Okay, you'll be able to go to the storage service. Click on S3. Then you have to create a bucket. Okay, first step is to create a bucket as we discussed in the architecture. So as of now, I'm just naming the bucket as Codify with Sonal. Okay, and make sure your region is correct, and that's it. ACL disabled, and bucket name must be globally unique and must not contain any spaces or uppercase letters. Okay, make sure about that. And as it's a website, we need it to have a public access. Okay, so we do not block the public access, and we acknowledge that the current settings might result that our objects are public. Okay, objects, that means our files, whatever we'll be putting, will be public. Okay, and we create the bucket. Now once the bucket is created, click on it and go to properties. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see static website hosting. Okay, click on edit and enable this. Host a static website. Okay, now here you need to give the document names. Index document, the one which I showed you just now, index.html, and error page document for error. When error occurs, it will return you this document. Okay, so save the changes. Once you're done with this, go to permissions. Okay, edit the bucket policy. Okay, so now you have to go to this particular page. I'll put the link down in the description box, and just copy this and put it here. This is basically a policy which is just a version number statement that you're allowing to publicly read the get object. You're allowing the action get object on the bucket name. Now here you just have to replace your bucket name, which is over here, Codify with Sonal. Just paste that here. Okay, that's it. Save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go to objects. Now we will upload those objects, right? The files which we added, index.html and error.html. So I'll select both of them and I'll upload them. Okay, so now they are uploaded. Let's go back to our bucket, and here you remember we did static hosting enabled. So this is the website link, the bucket website endpoint. Okay, so here we click, see this. Welcome to Codify with Sonal. This is our index.html page what got displayed. So this is how you host your static website. And now if you write anything ahead than this, that's like something hello. Okay, so what it will do, go to the error page. Okay, error 404, page not found. Clear? So this is how you host the static website. Hopefully today's session was useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. And what kind of labs would you like to see further, please let me know. If any one of you is interested in cloud practitioner or solution architect, I have prepared a practice series on that as well as shared the strategies. I'm also doing a tutorial on Java if you are interested. So till then, stay happy. Let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.